Yeah, Z family, we're back here with one more vlog on the channel, you know. So the next Saturday we are going to bike is we give you guys the next update on the machine. People, I tell you, excited. And we are on the way though. So stay tuned. We're going to take a cruise, you know. Yeah, man.
Do it now, do it. Anybody do it, get a drive in Daddy Z-Boss car today. Who is going to do it?
Me.
Who?
Me.
You, Shaim? Alright, do it, let me see. If you don't get it done, you can't get a drive in Daddy Z-Boss car today. You go try it? You can do it? Alright, sit here. Alright, do it now, Shaim. No, Shaim. You can't get it, don't make your brother try now, try it. You soon get it back. Don't be mean. Alright, stop now. Try it now. Try it. Stop now. No, you're gonna burst it. Try it now. Try it. Squeeze it and make it nice. Ah, you didn't get it. You try it now.
If you blow it.
I'm going to show you how to do it. Blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Bigger.
Yeah, blow it bigger. Up, 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 up. Alright, stop it there, sir. Hold it.
One. Stop.
You go and burst. Alright, come on. No, do this. Nobody actually do this. Hold it, man.
I don't.
Alright. Oh. Do it now. No. Yeah. You see? See, Shane, Shine, get it.
What?
You're smart.
That's smart.
That's
You must
strong.
go up.
You must go up.
Yeah, man. Yo, my boss, so what kind of stop that, man? Hey, people, look on the man there. You know that man there?
Good evening.
Man there named Super. No? I name call Super. No?
You pass me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, people, reach, you know. Yeah, people.
Tell me all one now. Tell me all one now. Zakir now live so and with yourself.
Baby asleep.
Yeah,
Hi.
boy, just up asleep, sir.
Brother Cleve.
Oh, you teach a sniper.
Big up.
Yeah, one cut up on the channel.
Up.
Yeah.
Go and shake up the place.
Yeah, we're there.
Yeah. We'll lay on that here then tell them.
Shaheem, put that down. Bye, kiss.
So I'm gonna take up everything. Planting. One time, 11.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I know Kata's name.
But it's cut off first.
And I know Kata's last name.
What?
Hi.
No. is Cleve Hottie. So Cutter is his nickname. Cutter Hyper nickname. Cleve Hottie is his right name.
Yes.
That look different.
You saw that?
New
Yeah,
muffler.
people. What you are going there? Oh, that shade on.
New muffler.
New muffler.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright, people. So, the first new update as I come, I notice new muffler. Carry up on the lift, so I'm making jacket up and give you a view, no? I can see what I want. Shade on the first man to spot that, you know. See what I want on the front here, no?
Go on to Afro. Daddy! Daddy, the power engine!
People, the snake is on. You see that, you know what time it is. See that?
2J.
Bad boy, turbo. Trouble there. Turbo on, people. Front spray up front of one. Looking good.
Daddy,
Nice.
car have the same like the red car.
Yes, sure. Clean, huh?
What is
Fender.
flashlights go right?
Clean, you know, boy.
Flashlight.
It's figure the flashlight need to go here. I'm talking about
It's called headlights.
headlights.
Alright, people, we are making jack up lift. Make we have a look underneath, because the last time we come here, the engine just put on in a car. So engine mount up. Have a look at these people. Nice. Nice engine mounts. Yeah, man. Engine fully mount up, you know. Locally fabricated by Bikes, you know.
Daddy, mommy,
Build them mount, yeah.
I made a
So engine mount up this week. Turbo on.
one
Exhaust
metal
back
is
holes
out here, one metal,
on.
one metal is inside.
Exhaust on. Nice. So we want to see what I want for the gearbox. We have to put it on the lift first. Well, it's on the lift, so we have to jack it up and show you what I want people. So stay tuned. Bye, kiss. Don't send the bad boy up in the ear, see what I want underneath. You know. Yeah? Hmm?
Get down, get down.
Alright, guys, we have a look underneath. So,
Don't do that shit.
upon these people. Nice. Transmission mount up and everything.
You know what this?
Driving shaft active.
Driving shaft active too.
You know what this?
So,
Yeah.
this week,
Look behind.
engine mount up.
Muffler.
Gearbox mount, transmission mount up. Nice. Nice piece of driving shaft work as a people. Yeah, man.
I want pee-pee.
Alright, and as you can see, exhaust, nice piping, tack up and everything. So right now, bead that run pan the exhaust. Nice. So exhaust run through here, so come back out. Nice. That is it, man. It's a beauty. Yeah, people, that is it.
Daddy.
Yeah? Let me tell you something. I want big hole, me like. You see? See it here? And I exhaust. You see? One big hole. One big hole and this. I ramp with it. Yeah, man. That's how we pipe out machine. Yeah.
Not tight, not stiff like a Okay.
Which way you go with it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Inside.
Oh.
You want to know what's that?
Yeah, man. It's bad.
Here and them are going to make this.
Whiskey it back and nice.
You will up here, go see it, man.
Shade on.
Material is a gear.
Shade on.
Yeah.
Shade
Thinner
on.
material base,
Come here.
the base sweet.
That's it, start moving with the thing.
Get things done. Now working at crowd doing it. You can't feel that work today, you know, so work put off today.
Yeah, man, once you come, man, you know, there's nothing more, man, you know.
Work put off today, man. Rest day, you know.
That's why, you know, master. I only pass that, let me check you. Guys, you are.
Can't come in.
Me not come. Cause me know say suppose me did say me I come here every evening come check.
No, you
No
know.
work now go on at night time or evening time. You know work me can see me.
Do you work here? No, evening work.
If you want to food, I say you can't come.
Evening work here.
Wait till weekend you come get a little update. Say bleed the clutch. Clutch the pan here already. See if you can find the third. You say cutter.
That me I tell him so no
No push
floor
it
it,
all the way
don't
down.
floor it.
You can't sink out no floor. I want to stop a floor up on it.
So what happened to flooring?
No oversing.
Eh?
You're gonna oversing, overpress.
As if I know what that means.
Huh? See like a year me not getting this.
Feel like about 3 years ago back in this.
Yeah, people. Everything want to shift the sort Sweet.
Daddy, I go driving.
No, daddy I test clutch. Clutch the power machine.
Oh, daddy's not driving. What are you doing? Paul here, Shaheen.
Oh yeah, how much gear you want to find so?
Bye. Me not find one gear, but me not know nothing about it. I left it. First gear me can't find.
That's right gear, you know.
To hear you.
Can move in a second, not sure.
Our third.
Move in a second. And then go third.
Spin it sharp one.
Third this. Or one that. No one. Second. One for there, so but you not find. Second they don't yourself. Third in the middle. Fourth. Now find one. No one. Only second. Am I in that still? If one now work, you're not gonna need your power. Yo. That more than six.
Effortless.
With the whole lot, not like my car when me know.
Aye.
How it have a beer.
Only thing you said, boy, I mean, I miss out long time.
Yeah. Man.
Put on your foot.
Yeah, that man.
S.
Oh, they did that, they look at that.
S. John.
Careful. See Uncle Bike.
My uncle, my Kaden.
Kaden, bye.
Kaden, the camera ready yet.
Weekend again, you know? Yeah, people, so stay tuned. Weekend. Big things are going to go on. Stay tuned, people. Remember to subscribe to the channel, you know? Bless up.